Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this one, we're going to take a look at a colgada exercise. And this is the first of 3 exercises that we're going to be doing. So all the links are going to be there. Check that out and it'll be so much fun.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to work.
Okay, let's do this. First exercise to improve your colgadas. So how we go off axis, back to axis, side step. Try this couple of times with us. She has the body weight on the right leg. Left leg is extending back. And we go off axis just a little bit. We feel the tension. This is really off axis. And then back to center. This is axis. And going to the side step. So we can repeat this exercise a couple of times before going to the real move.
And stay until the end because we are going to rotate a little bit this exercise. And now, we are going to, things to keep in mind is that before any colgada for the leader, we should lift her a little bit from the rib cage and the forearm for her to understand that a colgada is going to happen. From here, we are going to just go with our elbow, with our part of our forearm, going out as I'm lifting. This is just point A. Let me come back. Point A. And from here, then you can put a little more body weight on your right and go farther as you can extend the other one. And of course, the left one should be pulling on that direction for her to help and come back and we can start all over again. So that was side step, lifting, point A, so she understood that the colgada is happening. Point B, you can let go. Even if we exaggerate this, I will let go a little more of my right hand, look in the back, all the way back for a large colgada, and come back. Yes, that'll be up to you and up to the space you are having.
For the followers, when you feel this, lift your ribs, shoulders are back, and I'm start splitting the left leg back. So I feel the left leg pulling. If here's more room, I can send the left leg more to the back. If I'm already hanging, I can lift the leg and create different figures with the left leg, and everything is off axis. Until he pulls again, I go back to my right, from the hips to the torso, and re-embrace to, in this case, going to the side and do it again. So very important for the followers, when you feel off axis, lead, colgada is coming, I will not do this, I will not go with the hips or the head, only expanding the legs. From the expansion, I feel the colgada, I can lower the front leg a little bit if I want, and then back to axis, and then feet together.
Now let's rotate this one. So you have the technique already. Let's do this. 1, lifting. Before going in line, we're going to rotate, tack, and now the same work of point A will happen on this side. So having point A, from here we can use the right shoulder blade to send her around and come back to start all over again. So don't lower before rotation. Up, lower, almost about to take a step. It's almost like we are going to step, but lifting her from the right side. Once we have that, pulling with the right shoulder blade, and at the same time, this keeps pulling back. Look. And come back. By pulling with the left, this will give her confidence that you support her. If we try to help the rotation by closing, she will not trust you and this will not happen.
Let's try one more time. Let's use the first exercise and the second. So the first one is in line. We are now rotating, expanding, feet together, side step. And now we go back, rotation, feet together, and we can close the exercise.